Good day, everyone. Let's discuss now the new topic of the waves and optics. It is more on the dispersion of light, and later we will also discuss about the polarization and then the scattering of light. Now, when we talk about dispersion, okay, it is more on, I guess this is very evident for us nowadays, not just nowadays, but from the very beginning of the earth up until now, it's very evident here. Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing about dispersion of light. In this topic, we will be able to identify or to determine all of our wonders why a rainbow forms after a rain, or why white light passing through a prism then separates into many colors. Diba, naka-observe na it creates a simplified version of colors, the Roy G. Biv, the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the violet. So those examples or those phenomenon is called under the dispersion of light. So by definition, in the other class, that ordinary white light is a superposition of waves with wavelengths extending throughout the visible spectrum. The speed of light in vacuum is the same for all wavelengths, but the speed in a material substance different for different wavelengths. So we already discussed this one in our previous discussion, that in vacuum, regardless of the color of the light, it has the same wave speed, but the time it will pass through to a material, it will differ. Therefore, the index of refraction of a material depends on the wavelength. The dependence of wave speed and index of refraction on wavelength is called the dispersion. Now, this time, we will not be discussing about the dispersion of light. In general, sa katong previous katong gisite na akong example, that white light is actually made of many colors, where in fact it is million of colors, but it is only simplified to a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet colors. Then when it passes through a prism, each color bends differently. Kaya tungod, lahi siya og wavelength. Now, color of white light, we all know that Roy G. Biv, okay? Why does dispersion happen? So why is it nga mag-create yun siya or magkaroon og dispersion? So different colors have different wavelength. We all know about that. And each color travels at slightly different speed inside a material. Like for example, glass. In our previous discussion, the reflection and the refraction from material air going to material glass, example. Since the glass has a higher index, expected that the bending of light is going towards the normal line. So dili na siya pareha og speed sa when the time na napa siya sa air compared to the glass, because lain sila index of refraction. So as a result, each color refracts differently and each color bends different amounts. So, for example, I'll show you here the bending of light. This one. Diba, for example, if I will try to use the red light, when it passed through to a glass, this one object, the glass, so the light from the air, then the moment that it hits the interface of the air and the glass, so it bends, nagbend ang atoang ray of light. So di na siya pareha sa siyang speed from air, because it hits to another material which is the glass, then from glass to air ni pass through ang atoang light. So mao na yang ipasabot. So for example, if you have a white light passing through a prism, it will disperse into simplified color nga gitawag nato og Roy G. Biv. Okay? Just for example, I'll go here. This one. Reflection, supposed to be, if you will try to understand this one, if you have the red light passing through a glass, it should have a reflection, kaning dili kayo maklaro. Okay? Then it is also discussed sa ito ang critical angle or sa itong total internal reflection. Normal, like this one. Okay? So that's the concept of the normal light. Okay? Let's have a recap for a while sa ito ang refraction and reflection. Diba? For example, this one, if we will try a ray, then I have material air kasi sa upper part. Then sa ubos kay, let's say we have glass. Now, the time that I will turn on the light or use the flashlight, for example, this one, from air nga, yung index of refraction is 1, then it transmits to the other form of material nga glass, so na siya bending of light going towards the normal line. Okay, now if I will try to adjust the incident angle like for this one, okay, try to observe, the more nga kung ipagamay ang angle, the more po siya nga mo change ang iyang bending of light or yung refraction. So that's the scenario. Okay, so let's go back now to the dispersion of light discussion. Now, figure 13.18, this one here at the right side, it shows the variation of index of refraction with wavelength for some common optical materials. Take note that horizontal axis of this figure is the wavelength of the light in vacuum. So, kani siyang illustration is, this is the movement of light in vacuum. Wala siya other form nga material nga gigamit. Na kay vacuum, we are looking for or expecting it is a lambda sub 0. This one, lambda sub wavelength of light in vacuum. The wavelength in the material is given by equation this one. In most material, the value of n decreases with increasing wavelength, and it also decreasing and it has also a decreasing frequency, and thus n increases with decreasing wavelength and increasing frequency. In such a material, light of longer wavelength has greater speed than light of shorter wavelength. Take note, light of longer wavelength has a greater speed than light of shorter wavelength. That is why if you will try to analyze why is it that some of the vehicles uses color red or color white light, it's because it can travel longer. Okay, it can travel longer because it has a longer wavelength and has also a greater speed, okay, that reaches our eyes. For example, if na airplane na naglupad at night, then nakita na to from afar diri sa ato sa atong location, just for example, and then nakita na to nga nag-blink into color red or color white, so it means that it has a higher wavelength because it reaches to our eyes. Now try to imagine if they only use, like for example, indigo color, violet, dili ka na siya makita sa duol. In simplified version, or in simplification, material or light of having a longer wavelength has greater speed than light of the shorter wavelength. So that is the illustration of the figure 13.18. Now, in 33.19 also, this one, we have the white light here, the source, this one. And then, when it hits the interface of the air and the glass, so the white light disperse into millions of colors, but to simplify, it has a 7 colors na Roy-G Biv. So measure of dispersion, this one, and the deviation of yellow light. The light is said to be dispersed into a spectrum. By the way, this is the prism. Ang colors nga na-create, ana gitawag sa spectrum, the Roy-G Biv colors. The amount of dispersion depends on the difference between the refraction indexes for violet light and for red light. Going back to figure 33.18, we can see that For a substance such as fluoride, the difference between the indexes for red and violet is very small, and the dispersion will also be small. A better choice of material for a prism whose purpose is to produce a spectrum would be silicate flint glass, for which there is a larger difference in the value of N between red and violet. Now, let's discuss the rainbow. This is a very common phenomena nga itong ma-observe. When you experience the beauty of a rainbow, just for example, as you have seen in this image, you are seeing the combined effect of dispersion. At the same time, the refraction, the reflection. Sunlight comes from behind you. So in other words, if you will try to observe the dispersion of light in the rainbow, you really have to position yourself at the front of the sunray or the sunlight. Meaning, nasa likod sa mo ang sun. Sunlight comes from behind you. It enters a water droplet. Like for example, we will illustrate using a droplet reflected from the back surface of the droplet, and is refracted again upon exiting the droplet. So a light ray enters the middle of the raindrop, is reflected straight back. All other rays are like this one. For example, try to imagine this color blue here. Okay, this is the raindrop or the droplet, I mean. Now, if you have here a light comes from this, pagsulod niya, okay, down sun point. Also this one, it will reflect. Also this one, it will reflect. Try to observe, dili same ang wave speed from outside air and the droplets ng water. Na siya bending of light nga nahitabo, na refraction nga nahitabo. Okay? So, that's the reason nga nagka-create og rainbow. But before that, it should be, diba, kung ni Pastor ang light, atong ray daari class, dapat mo lahos dapat siya daari. Okay? But in this case, ang nahitabo, kaya pag abot niya ni a certain point, nag-reflect siya balik, diba? We also discussed that the total internal reflection. So, at a given point nga dapat mas dako ang index of refraction or mas dako dapat ang incident angle compare sa ato ang angle of refraction. Kung mas dako ana, it will create a total internal reflection. So, muna nitabo po sa rain nga scenario or phenomenon na mag-create og total internal reflection, and the result will reflect sa atong mata o mao na atong makitaan nga rainbow. The pattern of rays entering the lower half of the drop is the same but flipped upside down.